How to get Spotify Premium. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'll simply show you how you can get Spotify Premium. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you'd like to get Spotify Premium, what you need to do is to first go ahead and open up the Spotify app. Now this is possible only on Android from the app. If you are on iPhone, you have to go to Safari browser and then go to spotify.com to subscribe to Spotify Premium, because iPhone does not support in-app browsing just like Android smartphone does. Now once you open the Spotify app, tap on the premium option over here. You'll be able to see all the features, and here you'll find the button that says Get Premium. All you have to do is to simply tap on the Get Premium option, and right over here you'll be able to see all of the plans that are available. Now Spotify basically only has one plan, so if you live in India, then you have many plans available, such as an individual plan or maybe your family plan and so on. But for other regions you only have one plan. So choose your payment information, PayPal or credit or debit card, but I'm assuming most of you are of course going to do with the credit or debit card. Just go ahead and simply enter any of these details over here and enter your card number, your expiry date, your security code or your CVC number, which is also at the back of your card. Sometimes it could be 3 letters, sometimes it could be 4 letters. And after that, simply come back, scroll down and choose the option called Buy Now in order to get Spotify Premium. And that's all it takes to get Spotify Premium. Now, as I said earlier, if you are on iPhone, go to your Safari browser and go to spotify.com, and from there you can get the premium version. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.